Morning! Today, I just came from a light walk from our house going up to this airport area. And I don't see any signs of airplane coming in because of the forecast says it's 50 kph for the wind speed today. The normal is just 10 kph and yung pinakamatatapang na piloto can go as high up as to 30 kph na kaya nila magland. This is really gonna be very, very dangerous because the runway is very short. And slight na error mo, you could go straight up to the mountains. And that is the reason na kahit na walang bagyo, a flight can be cancelled. That's just the problem here. The flights and deliveries can get delayed because of this winds. So there's also different kinds of winds depending on the direction. So for now, the wind is coming from the sea sa papunta dito, and it's called Abayat. I don't know the other wind names yet, but I will learn about that, of course, kapag na-experience ko na siya. Let's do a quick Sari store run because I ran out of fabric conditioner. Might as well take you so we can check how much of a difference there is with metro price and island price when it comes to basic things. So the nearest Sari store to our place is 5 to 7 minute walk. So meron ka na ring free movement if you will be buying anything that you need for the day in this view. Okay, hindi na rin masama. It's been raining, so the greens are much more lush right now. ₱15 isa. So, ito na lang binili natin instead of yung maliliit. This is ₱78, 900 ml. So, I think pwede na to. I think this is yung gamitin namin. Okay, Now I will be arranging the fishes that we bought. I need to organize this in a way that we can consume everything. For this one that we've gotten this morning, this is like 3 kilos of lapu-lapu na malaki and 1 kilo of sea eel, and this is like 1,000 pesos because yung sa lapu-lapu that's around 700, and then yun namang sa sea eel that's like 1 kilo or more than 1 kilo, it's 300 pesos. So kailangan natin makonsume to lahat.
Bata isa?
Yay! Here's something that's making me super happy right now. This is my pasalubong yesterday from hubby.
Sobrang lakas.
Init pa, super init pa eh. It's lunchtime and today, di naman ako magluluto. Napaliliver lang ako today and there's fast food type here as well, like they offer burger, may mga snacks, fries, and of course yung mga karinderya din. Mahal ba yung expenses or food? It depends. This one I only ordered avocado toast and I have a chicken burger and rice na parang potato corner style with flavors, barbecue. All of this cost, including the delivery charge, at malaki naman pala siya. It's big. This is my face. So, 336 siya lahat. Kind of expensive, right? But also have to think yung mga ingredients talaga dito is still, of course, nakakadagdag siya sa cost ng mga items. There's things here that are mura and things here that are mahal. So, depende talaga din siya. And of course, yung mga businesses naman dito, also wanted to support them para mag-thrive yung businesses dito. Hi guys! So, ito na tayo sa part kung saan marami nagtatanong sa akin. Whenever I get comments in YouTube or any social media platform, magkano ba talaga manirahan sa isa sa pinakamagandang isla sa Pilipinas? Before tayo pumunta dun sa numbers, of course, we have to consider that this is an island. So, there's really gonna be difference. And I really do think na ang mas na-offset dito rather than the price is your time and your health. They say that time is your most valuable asset. So, sinasabi nga nila, bagal ang oras dito. So, it's like getting your time back in the metro where there's a lot of things that even if you don't want to, na-spend yung oras mo doon. Like traffic, travel, and other things na hindi naman pala ganun ka-necessary. So, yun. Tama na yung pag-explain. Now, I'm gonna break down a 1 month cost here when it comes to electricity, water, rent, and 1 market run or palengke run that we did kanina. For the electricity, when I was in Manila, ang bill ko for a one-person household is around 3,000 to 4,000. I barely even stay at home because I was in the office for 14 hours, 12 hours. So, hindi ko ginagamit masyado yung mga appliances. But then again, my bill is around the same amount. And here, yung bill namin is 4,700 with the use of almost 24 hours na aircon because it's really very hot here during this season. end of March to the season na maulan na, mainit pa din. So, darating lang yung lamig kapag, I think, nag-Burr months. Doon naman, ano na tayo nun, winter season na, so I don't think gagamitin natin yung aircon. 2-person household bill na may ref, aircon, 24 hours din yung electric power, microwave, and water dispenser. Water pump. I think mas mura siya. Ito naman, this is how the bill looks like here. Old-fashioned pa siya. Okay, next. Next is water. Yun naman yung sagana dito. And it's even better because our water comes from the mountain. So, it's mineral water. It comes from Iraya. So, yung mga pasyal-syal ng water dyan is usual lang na ginagamit dito. Panglaba, pangligo. And we also use that as drinking water. Nilagay lang namin sa dispenser. We have our water filter system rin na pinakabit namin. So, hindi na kami nag-order ng water sa water refilling station. For our water bill, it's just 150 pesos. 86 pesos lang daw doon yung tubig talaga. There were other charges that's incorporated in the water bill, like garbage collection and one more. Pero yun, 86 pesos lang. Ang dami kong nilabahan for the past weeks. Like, comforter, cortina, clothes that has to be rewashed. Lahat nilaban ko na. And then, linis, ganyan. Surprisingly, ganun lang kaliit yung bill na dumating. Okay, yung favorite ko, which is market run or palengke day, which is yun ang libangan dito. Para kang nagtutour sa buong poblasyon kasi magkakahiwalay sila. Wala ditong palengke na just one-stop shop. Pero magkakalapit din lang naman sila, like 1 minute walk or just a few seconds in your motorcycle, nandun ka na sa next place. We bought like just not so much, isang bag, noodles, canned tuna, sugar na marami, paper towel, coffee, mga chips, other stuff pa. So, ang bill namin is total to 378 yung mga kailangan namin sa bahay na urgent na. Yung mga produce like kalamansi, sile, onions, we also bought luya, and some fruits like banana and dalandan. That's totaling to 270. And then, may mga choice cut dito, which yung isang pack nga is good for like 1 cooking for 2 to 3 persons or up to 4 kung konti lang naman kumain. Madalas, pag magluluto kami is for us 2 lang. So, dalawang kain na namin yun. Thai part would be 156 pesos, isang pack. And we had I think there's also spare ribs na half kilo. That's 124. Yung medyo maraming boto for like stew. And then, we had our merienda. That's the kwek-kwek, mga tusok-tuso. Sold na kami doon. That's 120 pesos for the 2 of us with drinks. So, total na napamili namin is 1,000, kasama ng merienda, 1,148. That's for the market day. And yung also mahal dito is the gas. So, if you don't see it in the video, yung diesel is 119. Ang XCS is 118 and yung extra is 116. So, ayun talaga yung pinaka mahal dito yung gas. Mas best din talaga yung mag-invest sa solar power. Reduce the cost for like things na nag-run sa electricity. You can also get e-bikes here na may mga e-bikes instead of motor. So, yun. Kung may magtatanong sa akin kung mahal bang manirahan dito, the answer is yes. In a way that it's not necessarily cheaper to live here than to live in Manila. So, parehas lang siya. And mas marami rin naman siyang palit. Like, better health, less stress, and even sense of community na seeing someone at the street smile at you even if hindi mo naman talaga siya kaibigan or kakilala. Yung pagtutulungan dito, you can see that in their Facebook marketplace. Ang dami ng donation. And there's really no judgment. Like, for example, someone would post, like, yung kukuha nun, hindi siya titingnan na, bakit ka nang hihingi? Or something like that. Kung may magtatanong sa akin na mahal ba manirahan dito sa Batanes, I can also answer that with a no. In a sense that wala naman masyadong pagkakagastusan dito. Like, walang malls. And pag you see something in the shopping apps like Shopee, Lazada, or TikTok, iisipin mo pa yung shipping. So, talagang pag-iisipan mo and might as well think that you really don't need it. Or, better, you can also wait for the bazaars because there's a lot of like mommies here or mga titas na ang dami nilang mga items that they offer that they actually don't need anymore, like yung mga good glasswares and kitchen things na alam mo, makikita mo makapal at mamahalin. Nabibili mo sa bazaar ng like very mura, and even appliances. If ever you have like questions on other items na hindi ko na address in this vlog, you may just ask away in the comment section, and I will answer as much. Alright, I have a bad news. I'm slowly getting back into my no-chill era. Ask any of my downlines or colleagues and bosses in corporate. They can tell you how much of a no-chill person I am back in corporate. What I'm trying to get rid of. That's the reason why I moved here. So it might be hormones, or I might really be slowly slipping back in. We don't know. We will know maybe in the next months if I'll be lucky enough for you to join this journey with me here. So I wanted to talk about my unemployment, my journey, and my experience. First thing that you need to know: you can't be unemployed if you are very used to a structured day, a productive day, or quote unquote no time for anything, busy type of day, because you already have your time back and now you're on your own. You have to fill your day with whatever meaningful things you can think of. There are plenty of things that gets into your mind, like starting all the businesses that you can start, building anything your mind can think of, starting new hobbies, or rekindling your hobbies. The first month is good. The second month, you will start to question your decision, which this is where I am right now. It's almost 2 months since I started to move here. But then when I capture me self-sabotaging or feeling guilty about my situation, I just do a light walk. Think of na this is not even 1% of my working adult life. The situation is I'm not yet connected to any organization or company. So yes, unemployed, but I have other things to take care of, or personal things to keep me busy. Not really totally zero. Still some streams coming in some forms, and I also have my savings pa. For the things I want and the things I need, I still buy my own expenses that I have in the metro, because I still have my place there. My dogs are there. The monthly bills are still coming in. I pay for them on my own. Yung mga that I cannot do a 50-50 share yet with my husband. And for the plans, I can apply to government agencies because I have my eligibility, but I'm still waiting for other potential offers, and I'm waiting for other options that will fit me better with the things I wanted to do and the things I wanted to accomplish. Still looking, and hopefully by the end of August or early September, I have an update to share to you guys. But for now, dito muna tayo, and I hope I'll see you on the next vlog.